Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Your Chef here again, and today I came with recipe. It's very nice and delicious recipe. It's a tuna pasta with cheese sauce, and it's not normal cheese sauce will be. I'm gonna put some spices in there, okay guys, and it will be very nice and very delicious. You're gonna love it, okay? And if you miss any ingredient, you can go back to my video and you follow from there, but it's very easy, okay guys? You and me gonna make tuna pasta with cheese sauce. Okay guys, I tell you my ingredient. I got milk. It's about half a liter milk. I got some pasta here. It's about 200 gram pasta. I've got cheese, tuna. It's about 360 gram tuna. Got some salt. I got cumin powder, black pepper, coriander, butter, some peas, and I got this plain flour in water. So which I'm gonna use for making a cheese sauce. Okay guys, shall we start now? Okay guys, I'm gonna first put milk in there. This is about half a liter milk. I'm gonna wait until it's warm. And I already prepare pasta ready for here. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some butter in there. It's milk is a bit warm. Now I'm gonna start putting some. This is 100 gram water in there and 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm gonna mix that. So I'll start putting in there. I'm gonna save a little bit, say if we need any more in. But it's not necessary that you put all in there. Okay guys, I'm gonna save a little bit. Keep stirring this spoon. I'm gonna put some cheese here. Okay. I got this shredded mozzarella cheese. And mix again. Until the cheese is dissolved. This is thick enough, guys. Okay, now I'm gonna start mixing with the pasta in there. Mix that. And I'm gonna leave this cook for a few minutes in there. Okay guys, it's quite ready. I'm gonna put tuna in there. Then I mix all this. Okay guys, now I'm gonna add some salt, about 1 spoon salt, 1 spoon cumin powder, and 1 spoon I put black pepper. I'm gonna mix now all this, let it cook, get some flavor on. Now I'm gonna put some peas. And I'm gonna put some coriander. Okay guys, this is ready. And I'm gonna dish out this. Okay guys, this is tuna pasta with cheese sauce. What do you think about it? Try to make it as well, and let me know in the comment section what you think about that. But it's very nice, very delicious. You should try. Okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, this is tuna pasta with the cheese sauce is ready. So I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 5 to 8 minutes. The tuna pasta with the cheese sauce is ready. You can eat that straight away, like I told you before, or you can put for 5 minutes, put cheese on top and put 5 minutes in oven. So I put this dish I put 5 minutes in oven, and you can tell. So it's up to you the way you want to eat. Okay guys, so let me know what you think about it. Okay, thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in the comment, so I will be happy to give you an answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.